For those of you who have been paying attention in class, I'm supposed to be showing you my Tromsø film today. But as luck would have it, there was these beautiful conditions last week, so I just had to go out and film it. And I want to show you that footage while it's still relevant, while it's still fresh. So I'm gonna postpone my Tromsø and LUTS films. Sorry about that, don't bite my head off. And I don't think I'm gonna be showing them until after New Year's Eve. But be warned, when you are out and about photographing in these conditions that we're going to see now, you have to be very careful, at least if you're going to the place where I went, which was the seaside. You have to be careful. I stayed clear of the more dangerous areas, and in those places I went, I was perfectly safe, so keep that in mind. Safety first when you're out and about in these conditions. With that said, let's just show the film. Okay, enjoy. I have my mind set on an image and I'm going to try to capture it before the sun is set and it's completely dark. And when I've caught that image, I might just head home because these conditions are brutal, but it's so much fun. Those kind of waves I'm going to capture in the middle of this ravine over there. There we go. One of those. That is my goal for this trip, one of those. So I'm gonna head over there and set up and just wait. This is gonna be great. Here's the ravine, and the water is gonna come splashing through here like this, like that. And we have these rocks in the foreground here. So that's gonna be my shot. I gotta set up right here, all the way down, and hopefully it won't get much windier than this. But I'll see you after the shot. Oh, this is gonna be great. Woo! I love this. Okay, so I think I got the shots. So I'm gonna see if I can find one more picture. Let's see what we can get. This is a lot of fun, and I need to wipe the lens clean, I think, because I'm completely covered in seawater, and my camera is probably covered in seawater as well. Here's my shot through this ravine here, with the camera in front there. So I'm just waiting for the waves now to come in. Oh, that's beautiful. And I have it on burst mode, so I'm just waiting for the right wave in front there. There we go. And here, just like that, we have a picture. There just came a giant wave over there, over my shots. Didn't get it on film, unfortunately. That was an extraordinary experience. I was under a wave, much bigger than that. I had to throw myself over the camera. Okay, hang on a bit. I think I'm gonna try to clean up my lens a bit. Oh! Woo! That was a giant wave over the mountain. Over there, just came crashing in there. Hopefully I got that clear enough so you can see the seawater coming over the mountain here. I should film this way because this way is the way the action is. I have my finger on the trigger and I don't know who to trust, and I'm waiting for a wave. Come on, wavy, wavy, come on. This is like waiting for the inevitable. I know there's a wave coming. Now I think the wind is picking up. There we go! I'm not sure if I was fast enough. Wind is picking up. I think one's coming now. There she blows. I think we got it there. I'm satisfied with this image, I think. Kind of struggling to see properly through the viewfinders. I'm not sure how I framed it, to be honest, because it's dark, it's windy, and I'm wet because I was just hit by a wave, and I'm gonna head up. I'm gonna climb up there, taking cover behind that rock, just in case there's a wave coming, and I'm just gonna have a quick peek from this location. I could get a nice wave. I could get a nice wave over that little thing there. Oh! Look at that action over there! Okay, so that's the top, and the wind has definitely picked up. And there is so much life there. Woo! Careful not to fall down here. Completely mudded with seawater. So, not sure if I'm able to get any more photography done. I think we got some nice shots today. I'm really happy how the day turned out. I wasn't expecting much. I was just driving down to see if I could find some interesting shots in these splendid conditions which these things are. So I'm on my way back and pretty happy how it turned out. I had no expectations, to be honest, and I found two spots. One I knew of before and the other one I didn't know about. And it just fits well with the waves coming in today, I think. So now my glasses are fogged up, everything is filled with seawater, I'm wet from head to toe. So this is a great day. Great day. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you for watching. Take care of each other, and I'll see you in about a week. Alright. This is me reporting from the storm, and